how to restore notes on your iPhone. So if you're missing or you've accidentally deleted one of your notes, I'm going to show you two different ways on how to go and restore these. Now the first thing you can do is just go and open up the Notes app and then click on the back arrow in the top left hand side. Now underneath iCloud you'll see this folder called Recently Deleted. Click on this, and if there's a note that you've deleted within the last 30 days, you'll see it in this folder, and you can simply swipe over on the right hand side to the note and click on Move. Now click on Notes to go and move it back to your notes, and that's the first way to recover a note. Now if you can't find it from here, I'll show you another way to do this as well. So let's head back over to our home screen, and we're just going to load up the settings page. Now click on your profile name at the top of the screen and then select iCloud. Now click on Notes and make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on and enabled. Now go and open up an internet browser and head over to the website iCloud.com. You'll then need to sign in to your Apple account. Once you're signed in, just scroll down the page and you'll see Notes. Click on this. You can then click on the back arrow in the top left hand side, and here you'll be able to find all of your different note folders. So if you can't find it in the Notes folder, you can select All iCloud and you can check to see if you can find your note from here. And those are two ways to recover missing notes on your iPhone.